All right, so we're looking at some more type 3 equations today. Our first example, we have 4x minus 3 equals 2x plus 13. So we have x on the left-hand side as well as on the right-hand side. So we need to bring this 2x over to the left-hand side. So because we're bringing this whole term over, we'll subtract 2x because it's a positive 2x. The opposite of that is negative, or subtract 2x. And what we do to the right-hand side, we have to do to the left-hand side. So we end up with 2x minus 3 is equal to 13. 2x minus 2x is 0. So next, continuing to isolate x, we're going to add 3 to both sides. And that leaves me with 2x is equal to 16. And now I just have to divide both sides by 2. And x is equal to 8. Our next example on the left-hand side has a lot of terms here. We have a 3x, a plus 5x, plus 7, and then minus 4x. So because we have terms that are like, meaning they are like terms, we can collect them together. So the ones we can collect together are 3x, plus 5x, and then negative 4x. So 3 plus 5 minus 4, so 11 minus, so 3x plus 5 gives me 8x, 8x minus 4x gives me 4x. And then we still have the plus 7, just bring that down. And on our right-hand side, we have 19 plus 1x. So starting to look similar to our previous example. So now we want to bring our x's together on the left-hand side. So we're bringing this over. So we have to do the opposite operation. So subtract 1x and subtract 1x. Now on the left-hand side, we have 3x plus 7 is equal to 19. And now we can go ahead and move this positive 7. The opposite of positive 7 or adding 7 is to subtract 7. So we'll do that to both sides. That leaves me with 3x is equal to 12. And last step now, we just have to divide by 3 on both sides. And that leaves me with x is equal to 4. All right, so here is our next example. We have 6x plus 5x minus 2x, and it's equal to 63. So on our left-hand side of our equation, again, divided at our equal sign, we can collect 6x, 5x, and minus 2x together. So 6x plus 5x, that's 11x, and then subtract 2x, that leaves me with 9x. So 9x is equal to 63. And all we have to do now is divide by 9 on both sides. And that leaves me with x is equal to 7. All right, so looking at this next example, we have 6x minus 5 minus 2x, and it's equal to 7 plus 1. So on our left-hand side, we can collect our terms 6x and minus 2x. That leaves me with 4x minus 5. And on the right-hand side, we have 7 plus 1. We can add that together, which gives me 8. All right, so now we can continue with our opposite operations to solve for x. So we have minus 5 here. We'll do the opposite. We'll add 5 to both sides. That leaves me with 4x is equal to 13. And lastly, we just have to divide by 4. 4x divided by 4, that's 1x. So x is equal to 13 over 4. Or you could put that into your calculator and get the decimal answer, which is 3.25.